Alrighty, so we were riding with my friend Udi on his KX250F and Cody on a CRF250R. You've seen Cody in several other videos, but I don't think you guys have seen Udi in my videos yet. If you ever wanted to try enduro cross stuff, there you go. Oh shit! Oh shit! Bro! What the heck? Okay. Holy crap! Are you good? Are you okay?
I saw your legs come off, I was like, he's done.
Alright, that's how we start a day. You just get it out of the way and we're ready to go. Wow, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, everyone. We're going to do a little drag race. CRF250, KX250F, KTM125. Pinging it off the rev limiter, bro. 250F's got nothing on this 152 stroke, baby. That was so fun. Let's go do that again. I love a good drag race, and this spot is just so nice and flat. He's just like sitting on the rev limiter in the top gear. That is as fast as she goes, boys. Absolutely. I want to do one more, but I want to let you guys go, like, get the jump, so that I can have footage of right behind you guys.
Yeah, footage of us riding in front of you.
I'll let you guys get the jump, and then I'll see if this thing can catch up.
Yeah, all right.
We'll see. Let's go to the other side.
Yeah.
All right, you ready? You ready? 3, 2, go! Alright, well, we learned that the 150 isn't going to catch up to him. It can hang right there with him, and if I get a good start, you know, be solid. But it's not going to catch up to the 250Fs. I'm gonna watch Udi on the KX hit this little hill climb. Yeah! It's one of those hill climbs where it's really not that difficult, but it's intimidating because it's pretty steep and it's just like a rut all the way straight up. Did you see it? Yeah. You saw it that time? All right, I'll go down and yeah, it's straight ahead there, yeah. That's just a fun little creek crossing down there. This guy right here. You just like blip your throttle and jump over it. But it's fun, like, because you're coming down the hill climb. There it is, nice. Oh! Bro, there's a tree there. Alright, let's see where this trail goes. Nobody knows. Oh, maybe that way? Maybe this way? Wrong. I see the wrong way. Alrighty. So, I don't know. We're like going all over the place here. I don't know if this is the right path, but it's the way we're going. Oh. Oh, little vine action. Where are we at, Cody? Oh, going through that rut. Nice. Keep going all the way. Nice. That's such a fun little up and down section right there. Yeah, go straight across. There you go, sick. Back on the trail flow. Awesome. Remember, these trails, rode these a long time ago. It's been years since I've been here. These trails are really fun and flowy through here. They get real nice and tight. You just gotta keep looking ahead, focusing on the next turn, next obstacle. Oh shit!
I got caught.
Whoa!
Damn, bro.
Yo, you did like an endo.
Literally. How is this so strong enough to hold the bike? Dude, I'm stuck.
Is it a thorn?
I'm literally stuck on the... Nature's got some weapons.
Alright, you're going to have to pick out each thorn so you don't rip it too much. And I'll try to hold this.
There we go.
And it was just that?
Holding up a 200-pound bike.
It must have hit your front brake or something.
Oh, I think it did actually. Yeah, it pulled the lever.
Things you gotta watch out for, them vines. I wonder if he had handguards on, if that would have like just kind of bounced off the handguard. Oh yeah, this loop, this circuit's so good, so fun. Oh, nice, Cody waited for us. Woo. Oh, making the pass. Hell yeah, Cody. Alright guys, well that was so much fun riding today. I had a lot of fun getting back on the bike. It's been so long. It's been like over 2 months since I rode. Feels really good to be back on the bike. Also just feels good to do some nice fun trail riding, some single track riding. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Hit the like button if you liked it. Subscribe if you want to see more content. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace.